This is Lieutenant John McCready. An American test pilot, he held the world record for altitude, distance, and endurance flights. He was also the first one to take photos of a solar eclipse, score the first night parachute jump, and conduct the first tests in a pressurized cockpit. But these pale in comparison to his other contribution. By the 1920s, test pilots were flying higher than ever before, enduring painful flight conditions. Temperature routinely dipped below minus 70 degrees that was compounded by the piercing glare of the sun. Headaches, frostbite, and altitude sickness were the norm. The flight gear was this heavy fur-lined leather jacket, pants, and hood that came with clunky goggles. In 1920, Major Rudolf Schroeder reached the 33,000 feet flight mark. As he did so, his goggles fogged up, which was a common occurrence, and he had to hurriedly yank them off to see his flight path. This instinctive move resulted in him catching sunlight so bright he was temporarily blinded. Following his emergency landing, Schroeder was helped out of the aircraft by McCready, who went on to better Schroeder's altitude record a month later in the same plane wearing exactly the same gear. But even as he boarded the aircraft that morning, McCready already had in his mind a solution to his flying brethren's pain points. He contacted Bosch and Lomb, a medical equipment manufacturer, providing them with extensive notes based on his unique and extensive flying experience. The result was the anti-glare that featured a teardrop-shaped frame with green lenses that were made out of a mineral glass that were crafted to cut out glare, infrared as well as ultraviolet rays. These could literally ban the rays. Ray-Ban. It was on this day, the 7th of May 1937, that Bosch and Lomb patented the world's most iconic pair of sunglasses, the Ray-Ban Aviators. With us today, all thanks to the original Top Gun, Lieutenant John McCready.